Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are very happy to have you visit us. Many thanks to you who have been liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you very much. In this two-part series, we're going to explore the essential tips and guidelines for safely working on your car at home. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting, understanding the do's and don'ts is crucial to keep yourself and your vehicle safe. So, let's dive into the world of home car maintenance and repair. How to safely work on your car at home. Are you a car enthusiast who enjoys tinkering with your vehicle? Working on your car at home can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to maintain and improve its performance. However, it is crucial to prioritize safety while undertaking any automotive project. In this video, we will provide you with essential tips and guidelines on how to work safely on your car at home. Whether you are a seasoned DIY or a beginner, these practices will help ensure that your automotive endeavors are accident-free and successful. So, let's dive in and explore the key safety measures you should take when working on your car. Importance of working safely on your car at home. Working on your car at home can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle. However, it is crucial to prioritize safety while performing any automotive repairs or maintenance tasks. Understanding and mitigating potential hazards, using personal protective equipment, PPE, and being aware of the dangers of working under a vehicle are essential for your well-being. In this section, we will delve into these aspects to emphasize the importance of working safely on your car at home. Understanding potential hazards. When working on your car at home, it is important to be aware of the potential hazards involved. Automotive repairs often involve working with sharp tools, heavy machinery, and various chemicals. Failure to handle these hazards properly can lead to injuries such as cuts, burns, and exposure to toxic substances. By understanding and recognizing these dangers, you can take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and prevent accidents. Importance of personal protective equipment, PPE. Wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment is vital to ensure your safety while working on your car. PPE acts as a shield, providing protection against potential hazards. Some essential PPE items for automotive work include safety glasses or goggles to shield your eyes from debris, gloves to protect your hands, and a respirator or mask to prevent inhalation of harmful fumes or particles. By using the proper PPE, you significantly reduce the risk of injuries and health issues associated with automotive repairs. The dangers of working under a vehicle. One of the most hazardous aspects of working on your car at home is performing repairs or maintenance tasks underneath the vehicle. It is common to use a jack or lift to elevate the car, allowing better access to the undercarriage. However, improper use of jacks or inadequate support can result in the vehicle falling, leading to severe injuries or even death. To work safely under a vehicle, it is crucial to use sturdy jack stands or ramps to provide reliable support. Always position the stands or ramps on stable ground, engaging the emergency brake, and chocking the wheels to prevent any unexpected movement. Additionally, make sure to never rely solely on a hydraulic jack, as it can fail over time. By following these precautions, you can minimize the risks associated with working underneath a vehicle. Remember, working on your car at home should not compromise your safety. By understanding potential hazards, using proper PPE, and being cautious when working under a vehicle, you can ensure a secure environment for yourself, reducing the chances of accidents or injuries. Prioritizing safety is essential for a successful and enjoyable experience while working on your car at home. Preparing for safe car maintenance. Before you begin working on your car at home, it's crucial to take the necessary precautions to ensure your safety. This involves gathering the right tools and equipment, clearing the workspace, and ensuring proper lighting and ventilation. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of accidents and work more efficiently. Gathering the right tools and equipment. To work safely on your car, it's essential to have the appropriate tools and equipment readily available. Here are some basic items you should have in your toolbox. Wrenches and sockets of various sizes. Screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips. Pliers, regular and needle nose. Jack stands and a hydraulic jack. Oil filter wrench. Safety goggles and gloves. Torque wrench. Basic diagnostic tools, such as a multimeter. Fire extinguisher. Having these tools within reach will save you time and minimize the risk of using improper equipment during maintenance tasks. Clearing the workspace. A cluttered workspace can be a safety hazard, so it's important to clear out any unnecessary items before working on your car. Here's what you can do to ensure a clean and organized workspace. Remove any loose objects or debris from the area. Store tools and equipment properly to prevent tripping hazards. Keep an adequate distance between your car and any other obstacles nearby. By organizing your workspace, you create a safer environment where you can move around freely without the risk of accidents or injuries. Ensuring proper lighting and ventilation. Good lighting is crucial for working on your car effectively and safely. Here's what you should consider. Work during daylight hours whenever possible to take advantage of natural light. If working indoors or during low light conditions, use bright, adjustable LED work lights. Ensure that the lighting is evenly distributed across the workspace to minimize shadows and visibility issues. Proper ventilation is also important to avoid inhaling toxic fumes or gases while working on your car. If you're in an enclosed space, such as a garage, make sure there is adequate airflow by opening doors or windows. Consider using a portable fan or wearing a respirator mask when working with chemicals or in poorly ventilated areas. By taking these steps to ensure proper lighting and ventilation, you create a safer and more comfortable environment for your car maintenance tasks. Remember, preparing for safe car maintenance involves gathering the right tools, clearing the workspace, and ensuring proper lighting and ventilation. By following these steps, you set yourself up for a successful and secure car maintenance experience at home. Safety tips for working under the hood. Working on your car at home can be a fulfilling and cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle. However, it's essential to prioritize safety when working under the hood. By following these safety tips, you can ensure a secure and accident-free experience. Disconnecting the battery. Before you start any work under the hood, it's crucial to disconnect the battery. This step is important to minimize the risk of electrical shock or accidental activation of components. Here's how you can do it. Locate the battery in the engine compartment. Turn off the engine and remove the key from the ignition. Identify the negative terminal marked with a symbol. Loosen the nut on the negative terminal using a wrench. Gently remove the negative cable from the terminal. Remember to handle the battery with care, as it contains corrosive and potentially harmful chemicals. Handling fluids and chemicals safely. When working under the hood, you may come into contact with various fluids and chemicals. To ensure your safety, it's essential to handle them properly. Here are some guidelines to follow. Wear protective gloves and goggles to protect your skin and eyes from harmful substances. Always read and follow the instructions on the labels of fluids and chemicals. Store fluids and chemicals in their original containers and keep them out of reach of children and pets. Clean up any spills immediately using appropriate cleaning agents and dispose of contaminated materials properly. By taking these precautions, you can minimize the risk of skin irritations, chemical burns, or accidental ingestion. Using jack stands properly. When you need to work underneath your vehicle, relying solely on a car jack is not safe. To provide additional stability and prevent accidents, it's essential to use jack stands. Follow these steps to use jack stands properly. 1. Park your vehicle on a flat and stable surface. Engage the parking brake and chock the wheels to prevent any movement. Locate the designated jack points on your vehicle's frame or undercarriage. Lift the vehicle using a car jack until it reaches a safe height. Place the jack stands at appropriate locations near the jack points. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stands. Give the vehicle a gentle shake to ensure it is securely supported before working underneath. Using jack stands will provide a solid foundation and protect you from the risk of the car falling unexpectedly. Avoiding moving parts. When working under the hood, it's crucial to be aware of moving parts to avoid any accidents or injuries. Follow these guidelines to stay safe. Make sure the engine is turned off and has cooled down before working on any components. Keep loose clothing, jewelry, and accessories away from rotating belts and pulleys. Be cautious of fan blades, alternator rotors, and other engine parts that may suddenly engage. Use appropriate tools and techniques to avoid pinching or trapping your fingers or other body parts in any moving parts. By maintaining a keen awareness of your surroundings and taking necessary precautions, you can minimize the risk of accidents caused by moving parts. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working on your car at home. By following these safety tips, you can ensure a secure and enjoyable experience while performing maintenance or repairs under the hood. Safe practices for lifting and supporting a vehicle. When it comes to working on your car at home, it's essential to prioritize safety. This includes proper lifting and support techniques to ensure your vehicle remains stable and secure throughout the maintenance or repair process. In this segment, we will discuss 3 critical safe practices. Using a floor jack correctly, utilizing jack stands for added stability, and avoiding overloading the vehicle's weight capacity. Using a floor jack correctly. A floor jack is a common tool used to lift vehicles off the ground. Follow these steps to use a floor jack safely. 1. Start by parking your vehicle on a flat, level surface. Locate the manufacturer's recommended jacking points under your vehicle. These are typically marked by small notches or dimples along the frame. Position the floor jack directly under the designated jacking point. Ensure the jack saddle is securely contacting the vehicle's frame. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle off the ground. Keep an eye on the vehicle's stability and adjust the placement of the jack if needed. Once the vehicle is at the desired height, place jack stands under the vehicle's frame or designated lift points. Never rely solely on the floor jack to support the vehicle. That wraps up part 1 of our series on how to safely work on your car at home. We hope you found these insights valuable in ensuring your safety while performing DIY car maintenance. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with fellow DIYers. Your comments and questions are important to us, so feel free to leave them below. And remember, for more informative content like this, be sure to subscribe to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for watching.